Hey, what's going on, guys? I'm going to do a quick one. Tomorrow's the last day of the month, so pretty big day tomorrow. Let's see. I just wanted to get one out there real quick to see where we need to be by the end of tomorrow. And it doesn't look good for us. It looks like another bad month. But let's get to it. One thing that I need to do in the future is find a good data feed that I can get all these quotes through my Medved trader. That way it doesn't take me that long. It won't take me that long to set up, because right now I'm getting tired of setting up with investing.com. Even though it's free and everyone should enjoy the freeness, and lots of great quotes out of this thing, but it just takes forever to get everything set up. So another reason why I want to do it quick today, because I'm real busy. Anywho's, here's the dollar, and you can see the reverse head and shoulders forming very nicely. Probably come up to a point into resistance and start to make that right shoulder. Look for a U back into the 34 as it reaches a top. Things on fire. So we got a reverse head and shoulders on a daily, on a dollar. Now it looks like it's going to go forward. Even now, a longer term, we got a right shoulder, the head, and now possibly a right shoulder and then another U, a U-shaped consolidation over the 34. We got higher lows. It looks like it wants to go higher. I certainly don't know how. Well, I do know how, because the dollar is faring better than other currencies is all it is. But there we go. Ending the month, we have, see, if I had this on Medved, I can just peruse right through it, get everything done. It wouldn't be a hassle. Then I just have to worry about upload time. But there's nothing I can do about that. But here we go. Monthly, looks like we got higher lows closing. Looks like we got a hammer formation, not a hammer, not an official hammer because of the top wick, but it could by tomorrow come up to 96.45 and make a true hammer. So it'd be one of these topsy-turvy things, which is always good to see. Here's the S&P. We got lower highs coming in. We got a double top, lower highs. So we're in a pinch. See where we fare at the end of the tomorrow, but still in the pattern. Anything outside that pattern, I would be patient and trade it. I know I would. I don't have a futures account right now, but I guess I can sign up for it. But I'm enjoying the penny stocks. Let's see weekly. Same thing. It's bouncing off support. Monthly. See where we're at. I wish I could just clear these out right away. Looks like for a monthly we got a spinning top on the S&P, which makes sense. Can we get this out of here? Dang it. So far we got a spinning top. for a monthly chart, see where we close. Looks like we'll probably close right around there, if not lower. Short term looks lower, but it's hanging in there. It closed today below the 30 or the EMA 8 on a daily. Let's check out I love the 5 hour lately. Oh, jeez. We've got higher lows, lower highs, still in a pinch from a double top. So double top is in play. We're looking for a breakdown of this lower high, or higher low. Excuse me. Let's see. I think I can do this a lot quicker, but I forget how. So on a 5 hour, it looks bearish, right? That's a bearish retracement right there. It broke down and then bearish retraced back into resistance and got pushed back. So now it would allow, except for the fact that that looks like a reverse head and shoulders. So we'll see what happens. Still trading inside the pattern. I would trade this thing outside the pattern. Maybe even breaking lower high or previous lows. Could go either way, I guess. Right now it's bearish, in my opinion, because of the bearish retracement. But we'll see. Gold. Looks like gold took another dip, and not excited about this at all because it's on its tether here on daily. Got pushed back pretty hard. You can see the breakdown on the daily, the bearish retracement, and then now it's being knocked back. Look for previous low breaks, and just be careful on the low down. Looks like we've got support at 13, which is an emotional spot, and the previous highs. So look for a bounce at 13 if this thing breaks. Dang, stupid. It's hanging in there. We could end up being a double bottom on a weekly, and for the month, you never know, this thing might come all the way back down into support, which is all the way back down here at 12, let's just call it 1250. Hopefully we can keep up in a high level consolidation if this thing wants to play around. But watch out for those big players with the 1.5 billion smackdowns. Silver, same thing, kind of got knocked back, but it does look better than gold right now. On the 5 hour, it looks like it's shaping up. Got lower highs, or higher lows and lower highs in a pinch. Price is below the EMA 8 and 13, which is not good. Look for previous low breaks and maybe a double bottom at 1840. Other than that, let's go for the long term. And a bearish encompassing today on the daily. And for the week, I was hoping that was a bullish piercing pattern. We'll see what happens tomorrow. It's got one more day. Or actually, this is a weekly chart, so we got all week to make this thing happen. But tomorrow's the end of the month. So let's check it out where we need to be. It's bearish. Need some big moves on the upside to get this thing. It is above support. 1850 is my support. But that's a bearish formation. Wouldn't that suck if all this good upside and for the next 6 months it came all the way back down here and make a double bottom? Oh, I'd be furious. Doesn't look good on the monthly for silver. And speaking of which, I forgot yesterday to include the GDX and GDXJ, so I was sorry about that. But if you didn't see what was going on, you haven't been paying attention, because that is a huge breakdown, bearish retracement, and then smackdown, breaking previous lows. You can see all of a sudden, once it breaks down and then bearish retraces, that signals that the price is going lower. So then you wait for it, or you sell into resistance, or you wait for it and break previous lows. And that would have been, was that 16 points? So you would have had a good amount of shorting there. And this is the juniors. So let's take a look at the 5 hours, see if we're got any kind of reversal. Oh, there, look at that. We got a reversal bar on the daily, or the 5 hour. Daily looks horrible, but we do have a reversal bar. So look for any confirmation on the upside on this. Previous high break into previous lows, you can take a ride. This could end up being maybe a what you call them, morning stars or something like that, but with a hammer. You never know what could happen. Tomorrow is the last day of the month. Traders are going to want to, at least the big boys, going to want some action, I think. Today was just very slow. GDX, same thing. You can see the breakdown, bearish retracement, and then the smackdown. Dang. Let's go back to GDXJ, look for the longer term, see where we need to be on a monthly. That's the same as gold. What was silver looking out on a monthly? Same. So we got the same kind of thing going on. Just a bigger bearish or bullish retracement on the monthlies. Yeah, we could see this come all the way back into support, looking at that candle. Breaking previous lows, stopping at the previous high so far. If that closes like that, I suspect that if it doesn't on the open shoot up Thursday morning, then maybe a bounce at 38.70. Quite possible we go all the way back into support, making that a complete bullish retracement. Same here. That looks even more nasty than dang. Doesn't look good for us the next couple months. Only thing is we need to bounce. We need to do something about that downfall. Maybe it's just going to come into the 8. Maybe it's just meeting the 8. Right? Maybe it's just meeting the 8. Silver, the 8's just crossing. The 13's not over yet. Gold is doing good. GDXJ and GDX, they're all, except for silver. I guess we're waiting for silver and the 13 to cross. Silver's been lagging this whole time, and it's still holding everything back. Hang on one second. Let me get copper up, see what happened. Looks like copper got the smackdown too. Copper's not looking good. Could be coming to a bottom here shortly, though. Looks like a sideways action is in. A little sideways consolidation. You can definitely see the breakdown. Bearish retracement, and then the big smackdown. which they took it down pretty hard, all the way down. So from 26, so 20 points for little old copper. That's a good amount of downside on copper. Let's see where we at. I guess copper's holding everything up, I guess. Copper needs to turn around, pick up the pace, get silver running with it, I guess. Turd Ferguson, I'm following his lead on that concept to make sure that copper runs with silver this next time. So all in all, copper is hanging on, but that looks like a bearish flag almost. It just needs a lot of help, especially on the monthly. It needs to pick up the pace. Well, we'll see. But that's it. I think the other ones have gone up a little bit, I think, as much as the dollar did. So I'm not going to go over those. Deutsche Bank, I think it had a run. But that's it. It's going to try to keep it short today. Tomorrow, one thing about the monthly, or no, what was it? Late Saturday night, I did an hour-and-a-half video, and I got twice as many views on that. So I don't know what it is, but I think everyone likes the longer videos. Let me know what you think. But when I do long videos like that, I run the risk of losing the content, and also it takes forever to upload. And but all in all, I need to find another data feed so I can keep these things short and sweet. And if I wanted to do it longer, I could. But thanks, guys. Thanks for your comments, and I'll talk to you soon. See ya.